Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean leather gloves. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a pair of leather gloves. These are my leather gloves, and you can clean your leather gloves safely and easily with a few simple steps, okay? Now, obviously, there are many ways to clean them, but if you want to do it without running the risk of shrinking them or damaging them, this is probably the best method in my honest opinion. All that you need is a microfiber cloth like this and also some dish soap, okay? So I'm gonna tell you what to do. I'm not really gonna be cleaning these because these are already clean, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. So you wanna start off with a microfiber cloth, okay? And you can actually only use one microfiber cloth if you want, and just kind of imaginarily split it up into two parts. So you're gonna get a microfiber cloth and use one half. You wanna get it damp with water, not soaking wet, but just barely damp with water, okay? Then you wanna get some dish soap, and you literally just wanna put a drop of dish soap or 2 drops of dish soap on the damp part of the microfiber cloth, and you're gonna rub it all on the cloth itself to spread the dish soap out. Then you're gonna take your damp microfiber cloth with a bit of dish soap on it, and you're gonna just rub the gloves. You're gonna rub it on the gloves, and you're gonna scrub that dish soap onto the gloves. That is going to remove all of the surface dirt, grime, surface stains, like anything that's light enough and that will be removed. And honestly, dish soap is like fantastic. It will take off basically the majority of things that are on the gloves, okay? For the most part. So you're gonna go and scrub those gloves until you're satisfied with all of the removal of the dirt, grime, grease, stains, whatever it is. Then you're ready to rinse off the dish soap. You can actually just leave the soap there, to be honest with you, and it will basically just evaporate, but I would recommend rinsing it off just because you don't want to run the small risk of discoloring the gloves. It probably won't happen, but you should just rinse it off to be safe. Now, don't go put your gloves in the sink or anything like that. You want to take the other side of the microfiber cloth, the dry side, and you want to get it damp with water, okay? So and you're going to leave it as just water. You're not going to put any soap on this side. It's just going to be water. You're going to take that damp microfiber cloth with just water on it, and you're going to rub off the dish soap, okay? And you're going to use one side to do one pass on all of the dish soaped areas of the gloves. Then you're going to flip it around. You're going to do the other side just to sort of wipe off any remaining residue. And that's it. You will have cleaned your leather gloves easily. It's literally that simple. And that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure, and so obviously, sorry, before I finish, let them dry. When you're done cleaning them, you don't want to wear them right away. Let them dry. They will probably, they'll dry really quickly. Don't put them in the dryer or anything like that. Just let them air dry. But they will dry really quickly, believe it or not. They're really quick to dry for the most part. As long as you didn't soak them and you just use a damp cloth, you'll be fine. They'll dry quickly. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.